Install the probe according to the video. Select Probe. Modify the type spec parameter according to the actual probe parameters. Select P delay and adjust the value to 0. And then select PLSRCVR, turn on Dual. Now we can start the test. Select Basic and increase the range value and gain. Press Cal. Adjust the value of SREF1 to 12.0 millimeters. Press a Start to capture the first wave. And then press plus. Then press SREF1 till it turns to SREF2. Set the value as 24.0 millimeters. Press a Start and remove the gate to capture the second wave. Press Cal and plus. The calibration is finished. After calibration, the gate can be moved to the first waveform for inspection. The instrument reading will show 12 millimeters, which matches the workpiece thickness.